The base could not run without water. And as well as fuel. Fuel is vital to the Air Force's mission. We could not go anywhere without that fuel. Being in the military, you're part of something bigger than yourself. It's really motivating. I've always knew that I was going to be in the military at some point. I'm the 5th generation of my family to join the Air Force. My great-great-grandfather was in the Army Air Corps, and then down the line, his son and his son, all the way to my dad. I enlisted back in 2016. At the time, I had no idea what CE was or what it consisted of, but I very quickly found out. Water and fuels is one of the biggest components of CE that there is. We're providing water to this entire base, and we also provide water for the local communities surrounding the Air Force Base. Everybody calls us if they have leaks or if they have issues with the water lines. What we do on the fuel side is allow fuel to get from tanks underground into the tanks on the plane. And if you don't have fuel, obviously you're not going to be in the air and you're not going to be dropping bombs and you're not going to be carrying out the mission. You get to work with your hands, you get to build stuff, you get to see a finished product every day, and it's something that I really enjoy. CE is definitely a brotherhood and a sisterhood within the Air Force. I could walk down to any other shop in my career field and ask them for help on a job, and I'll immediately have 5 people out there helping me with whatever I need. It's extremely close community. It's taught me, mechanical skills, working with my hands. It's taught me a lot of social skills as well. You're going out on the job site with a customer, you're talking to people. Every morning it's a new issue, which requires a new solution, and a lot of that requires thinking outside the box. It's not always just attaching a pipe with a wrench. I like going out there, finding something that's obviously broken, blasting water, it's flooding, the people there are freaking out, and then we show up, calm, and we're like, okay, we'll get this done, and I just know that impacted that person's day, we relieved that stress. And not only that, but we had a finished product when we left, and we had something we could say, we did this, and then we can be proud of it. Some days it is a little bit harder than others to stay motivated. You gotta wake up at 5:30 in the morning, you gotta shave, you gotta head to PT 3 times a week, and some days you're working 24-hour shifts, but it's worth it in the end. Every morning when you put on that uniform, put it on all the way. Come to work ready to put in 100%. Once I get my eyes open in the morning and once I walk in those doors, I'm ready to tackle the day. If you like to get your hands dirty, if you like to engineer, if you like to build things with your mind or with your hands, this is the job for you. I'm really proud to tell my family and friends that, I'm an engineer for the world's greatest military. I can't think of another job that I would rather have. My name is Senior Airman Trenton Goode, and I am a United States Air Force civil engineer.